एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू बियॉन्ड आवर बैकयार्ड्स चैनल। ये चैनल मैंने और मेरे हस्बैंड सुजन ने क्रिएट किया है टू शेयर ट्रैवल टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स एंड आवर ट्रैवल प्लानिंग एंड एवरीथिंग विथ यू गाइस। तो आज अभी हम लोग आ पहुँचे हैं मे फेयर गैंगटॉक। यहाँ पे दिस इज़ अ लवली हेरिटेज होटल, इट्स अ 5 स्टार होटल, इट्स रियली प्रिटी एंड ये चारों ओर फॉरेस्ट है। सो मैं दिखाऊंगी अब अभी आपको एक रूम टूर। सो वी आर स्टेइंग इन डिलक्स रूम, आवर रूम नंबर इज़ 313। लेट मी शो यू गाइज अराउंड अ लिटिल बिट। वी केम फ्रॉम दैट साइड, तो उधर बाहर एग्जिट है, वहाँ से फिर रिसेप्शन एरिया, लॉबी एंड ऑल। इट्स अ रियली ह्यूज प्लेस। तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे रूम्स हैं, फैमिली रूम्स आर ऑल्सो देयर। अभी विंटर है तो स्विमिंग पूल बंद है, बट इफ़ यू नीड स्विमिंग पूल दे ऑल्सो हैव अ फैमिली villa where it has a swimming pool inside. So our room is 313. Let's go inside and have a closer look. I'm just knocking the door so my husband will open up. Okay. Hey there. So this is our room. This is Mayfair Gangtok's deluxe room. We have opted for occupancy for 3 person because हमारे एक दोस्त ने भी ज्वाइन किया है हम लोगों को। तो they will provide one single bed over here. Now this is your king size bed. Here you have the television set, nice desk, some storage compartment as well. यहाँ पे you get a working desk. तो ये मेरे लिए काफ़ी अच्छा है because I have to start working right away. This is really lovely. It has a small storage compartment as well. You get a mirror and this side is the balcony. So यहाँ पे जैसे मैंने दिखाया था समिट हरमन में कंचनजंगा का व्यू था balcony से, तो यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं है, but it's very zen and very calm. You get a large sleeping sort of bench where you can like relax and stuff. You have a coffee table and another sitting area. We also have some stuff we can hang your clothes and all. This is the balcony and this is outside. Let's go back inside. We'll check out the restroom now and also the coffee station. So you get another sitting bench here also. यहाँ पे भी एक desk है, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो. It's very lovely decorated with all the paintings and it feels very royal, I can say. So यहाँ पे भी और एक desk है and यहाँ पे भी full length curtains. You can open it up to see outside. बाहर ऐसे कि आप देख रहे हो, यहाँ पे एक बास्केटबॉल एरिया है, बैडमिंटन एरिया है, फिर लेफ्ट साइड में स्विमिंग पूल है which is closed now, but you cannot open this window. I think this is fixed. Let's go to the coffee station. So here we have a lovely little coffee station. You get some biscuits, some toffees and candies and stuff. Then water bottles with जो भी होता है, different types of tea that they have, which I really love. So this is Earl Grey. You have green tea, मुझे नहीं पसंद है जो भी, तो ये सभी है यहाँ पे. You get a mini bar also over here. तो अभी चलते हैं थोड़ा रेस्टरूम की ओर, which is really my favorite area because it has a bathtub. Oh, okay. So from the left they have a closet. So you get to hang your clothes. Let me open this thing up as well. Okay. तो यहाँ पे एक large compartment है closet का. You get your safe as well. नीचे भी compartments है. You can store your shoes, clothes, other stuff. अभी हम लोग check in किए तो all our luggages are packed. यहाँ पे lovely paintings. You get slippers also, weighing machine. यहाँ पे clothes भी रख सकते हो आप. This is the restroom. This is very clean and they have sanitized everything, so you don't need to worry about anything. So यहाँ पे towel वगैरह है with their logo printed. They have a lovely bathtub and this is awesome. Basin के साथ full length नहीं but बहुत ही बड़ा mirror and you get a small mirror also for makeup. So for you ladies, you can do your eye makeup really well over here. यहाँ पे amenities है. dental kits and stuff. ये था रेस्ट रूम ऑफ मेफेयर गैंगटॉक डिलक्स रूम, पर फुल व्यू मैं दे देती हूँ आप लोगों को. ओके, सो फ्यू फैक्ट्स. आई विल transfer this video to my husband so that he can give you the rest of the info. Hey, Shudan, what was the tariff and how many days we are staying with taxes and all?
We are staying for 3 nights. So we have checked in today. We will be checking out on Wednesday.
Okay.
Tariffs we paid with taxes 51,856. But I would suggest to put an inquiry to their website as well. They will never know, you might get a cheaper rate. This tariff which we have paid, this includes it's a CP continental plan which includes breakfast. We booked through booking.com, but probably it is bit more pricey than what we have expected. But yeah, you can like always explore other options and see where you are getting a cheap price. You can do that. And further about the service and rest of the things, I think we are going to put another video where we will say what is our experience staying here.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sujan. Hope you guys enjoyed it. और ये बहुत ही शॉर्ट वीडियो था. मैं थोड़ा डिटेल्स में भी हम लोग बनाएंगे. लाइक सुजन सेड, we will give a detailed overview or reviews on pros and cons of staying in Mayfair Gangtok. Thank you guys. Love you. Bye bye. Take care and stay safe.